Hello guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts, the most excellent series on zero to hero Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, we are on lesson number 61 and I am going to show you while loop list, right? The previous lesson I showed you for loop in the list. In this lesson I am going to talk about while loop list with few examples of the codes, alright? So basically guys, you can actually loop through the list of items by using while loop. Okay, while, while loop, and then you need to use the len function, len, with two brackets. I showed you len function to determine the length of the list of that particular list which you created. Okay, then you need to start with a 0 or a 1 as an index, right? Ideally it starts from 0 and loop your way all the way through the list, whether you want 1 or second or third or fourth, whichever you want. You can just loop into that particular list using those indexes. Okay, remember, to increase each and every item you need to add 1 next to each item. All right, that's the way you are going to loop. Let me show you an example how it works. All right, so I am going to log into my terminal. Yes, I am already logged in and I logged into my Jetson Nano terminal. Alright guys, so let's open our existing file list which we created already, nano list.py. There you go. Let me delete this program which we created for our previous video. Let me show you how it works. This list equals to square bracket, remember. All right, now let's say Tom, okay, and then Jerry. Okay guys, do not forget the syntaxes, all the double quotes and the comma, it's very important. Tom, Jerry, and then cat, and then mouse. All right, now let me close it with a square bracket. Now you need to declare what your object value is going to be, from where you are going to start. So I, you need to use this letter called I equals 0. From the index of 0 you are going to start. All right, now how do we create a while loop? While I, okay, is less than the length, okay, that is the length function, len, which I showed you last time, length of this list. All right, length of this particular list which you created, Tom, Jerry, cat and mouse, and then close the bracket. Most important, what you are supposed to do, colon. All right, not semicolon, sorry, colon. And then guys, remember the next line, the indentation, never forget that. You need to give a space and then print this list. Okay, this list, what list? Of I, the object I which you created, and then you close the bracket. You need to put that in a square bracket and then close the whole bracket. Okay, and then what? Again below the print, I equals to I plus 1. Are you getting this logic? Why is that I is equal to I plus 1? You will understand that. All right, now let's save it. Control O, enter, Control X. All right, now let me run this program. Python 3 list.py. There you go guys, the number of cats. Why is that? Because you started from I, right? The last index was, what was the value of the last index? It was cat, we defined as cat, and now it's going to loop and loop. It'll just continue forever. It's never going to start, right? So we got to stop it somewhere. I'm going to teach you how to stop it. All right guys, so that's the example, classic example of using a while loop, and in a list. Most important thing, in a list, how to use a while loop in a list. I hope you understood this. I'm going to teach you some more about the while loop and the for loop and do while loop and stuff like that. Most of the things is going to repeat one after the other. Do give me a thumbs up, guys, and I'm going to get back to you soon in the next lesson. See you. Bye bye.